Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will see how to make this simple hoop earring. Have used only double crochet and single crochet stitches, so it is quite beginner friendly. I would say if you're an advanced beginner, you can try this. For this, I need a hoop of any size and 1 mm crochet hook I'm using for this project, and the size 8 pearl cotton thread, and we also need some scissors towards the end of this project. So this hoop size, right, I mentioned you can use any size ranging between 1 inch to 1.5 inch diameter. So based on that, we will decide on the number of stitches in row 1. I have used a medium size hook here. So let's take the tail end of the yarn and insert the hook into the earring hoop and make a chain 1. This secures a knot around the hoop. So start making single crochet stitches. This is our first single crochet. I'm going to make 37 single crochet in total. So this would cover a little more than 3/4 of the entire hoop. You can make it like 39 or 41 as well, so that it will cover the entire hoop, but it is not advised to do that because you will not have space near your earlobe. If it is a very big hoop, then you can make it so that you'll have some space in your ear while you're wearing it. So it again customizable. So we have completed one round here. For the second round, make chain 1, 2, 3, make chain 3 and flip the pattern. So now skip the very first stitch and make a double crochet into the next DC. The first 3 chains are considered as one DC here. And now I have to make the next DC by skipping one stitch. So you are going to skip the next stitch and make 1 DC into the second stitch. So let's go ahead and repeat this pattern, like making DC stitch in every alternate stitches, and complete this round. So by the time you complete this double crochet stitches, it will automatically try to shrink, and you can just bring it towards the inside part of the hoop and then make chain 5. And this chain should be long enough. You can increase or decrease the chain based on the hoop you are going to use, and we are going to connect this to the very first DC stitch, which is our chain 3 stitch of the previous round. by making a slip stitch to it. You can just adjust it to fit across the hoop. Let's continue to work on the next round. So let's make a chain 3 and skip the very first space and make 1 DC into the next space. Again we have to repeat the pattern, so skip the next space and make 1 DC into the following space. So continue making DC stitches on alternate spaces between the stitches from previous round. So once we have completed this round, make a slip stitch into the third chain of the connecting chain. Then make chain 1 and a slip stitch into the second stitch. And make a slip stitch into the very first stitch of this round. So now let's make a single crochet in each of the stitches. I have completed this round. I'm just making some adjustments to spread the pattern across the hoop. I'm going to make slip stitch on top of that connecting chain and make chain 1, pull up the loop and trim the yarn. So this completes this hoop earring pattern. Now let's work on sewing the loose ends. So if you are going to use the tapestry needle, so you should be trimming the yarn a little bit longer, say for about 6 inches. But I prefer using this crochet hook itself to hide the loose ends. So I've just cut a very small size as a tail end. So now you can use a starch mix by mixing one part of starch with 2 parts of water and dip this crochet pattern, the earring pattern, and let it dry completely so that the earring stays stiff, the fabric stays stiff. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please give a thumbs up for this video, and subscribe to my channel if you really like to see more such videos in the future. Thank you for watching.